Yeah, what's up, guys? This is Soft Trades, and welcome to the channel. Now, guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and also share this video with your co-traders. Now, this is going to be the gold analysis for 19th of January 2025, and this is going to be the move we're expecting from tomorrow, being Monday. Now, currently on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that gold is currently trending upwards. All right, so we're creating these highs and lows and highs and lows and highs. So we are mostly interested in buy opportunities. All right, so having in mind that we're in an uptrend, what we want to see, all right, on Monday is a little bit of retracement, all right, into this breakout block or this zone over here. So mapping out that area, we're going to have something like this. All right, this is the zone we are expecting gold to retrace to, let's say Monday, before we can continue that trend. Now, one of the reasons why I believe that trend is going to continue is because of certain liquidity levels we have over here. All right, we still have a level over here that was not actually taken out last week, so we are bound to go up to that level to take it. We also have certain liquidity levels right over here that we are still going to take, so we are looking for buy opportunities to target those levels. Now, how far can we actually retrace before the market continues? Now, if you take your Fibonacci tool and you measure from this area all the way to the top, you will see that we can just conclude that gold is going to at least come down into the discount zone. All right, now if you want to know more about how discount zone work and stuff like that, then you might want to be part of the Soft Edge community, which is a premium VIP community where we mentor and also share day trade signals on other assets, including gold as well, and break down on weekly, daily basis. So I also want to check that out. The link is just going to be below this video. Now, that being said, we expect gold to retrace down into this area and look for some buy setup. And also, one thing you can also pay attention to is that if you go down to, let's say, the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we kind of created these um, there's this break of this trend line over here, which is a confirmation that okay, there's going to be a temporary retracement. So that is one. Then another trend line over here, which is this extended one over here. So if you extend that down, you can see that between Monday, Tuesday, we are definitely or we should see gold retracing, you know, back into the zone and giving us some breakouts of this trend line. That is going to be also a signal for those who trade trend line as well. So, but if you're trading market structure, I just want you to pay attention to what the chart is going to do here, maybe on the 15-minute time frame or the 1 hour time frame to see if we're going to get a buy setup. So, if you want to trade gold this week, you just have to look for just stay bullish. Now, the only time you might have issues, or maybe you might say, okay, we're not going bearish, is if we see gold closing below this area, let's say before Tuesday, then that simply means that there's a change in the markets, that the trend is changing. Maybe there's a geopolitical event somewhere that's changing, because if you are to take this trend line, you can see that this whole area is still within the uptrend of gold. So what you're actually expecting in real time should be some movements inside this particular symmetric triangle and a breakout. So this is the movement I'm expecting for gold. But if we see something like this, then closing below this area, then the whole market is just going to shift. And that simply means that gold wants to go down to target lower liquidity levels. So, but you have to pay attention to what's going to happen here between Monday and Tuesday. So that is the analysis for gold. We also have some swing positions we're currently holding on gold on the soft edge community, and also we also have some swing position on the Bitcoin as well. So if you want to get instant access to all those things, you also have to check out the link below this video and see if you and get access to all those stuff. So this is basically what I'm expecting from gold. Very simple, very easy. Gold is actually breaking out of a higher time frame bullish pattern, which I shared in soft edge. And this movement right here was actually the breakout and the retest and successful retest. So, which gives us a signal that gold is turning or has turned bullish, all right, over time. So, guys, let's see how it goes. All right, more updates on this particular setup or on this particular asset is going to be dropped. All right, so subscribe to keep yourself updated. All right, see you guys.